Hello guys and welcome once again to the channel. We are the UK's creator and today we will be doing yet another logo for us to recreate and for us to learn the basic tools to which we can hover around the Coreldraw interface. I really hope we've been learning, we've been practicing these so that it can effectively help us in our Coreldraw interface. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Okay guys, today we will be doing the Spotify logo. It's yet again another simple logo that we can easily recreate here for us to learn the interface. And this is the logo we'll be working on. Spotify, very nice and very simple logo. So let's get into it. So firstly, what we're gonna do here is to draw a perfect circle. We click on the circle tool right there and we hold our control button and we draw the circle just like that. So now the next thing is for us to get the components which are inside. They are like small lines. There are so many ways to do this, but I will do the easiest way so that we can learn the shape tool a little bit more. Now we click on the rectangle tool and we draw a line like this. Okay, the next thing we do is click on the shape tool. Now it's already in rounded corners, so what we're going to do is just complete this. Okay, now as you can see there are 3 of them there, so what I'm going to do is duplicate this. Okay, next we have to adjust the other ones to be a bit smaller than the first. Okay, reduce the sizes as well. Now that should be right. Okay, I think I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. They're not so big, you don't need them to be that big. Now nextly we have to put the shapes into this curved format here as it is in the logo. So now we select all of them and we press the Ctrl Q option. Now this Ctrl Q option is a shortcut to converting all of them to curves. So since we've done that, we select the first one, click on the shape tool again, and now we select just the first 2 points on this horizontal plane and we convert to curve. We do that for the ones at the bottom as well. Convert to curve, we'll drop that there. Then we click on the towards the middle and we adjust just a bit. We do so for the ones at the bottom as well, just a bit like that. So as you can see, we have achieved our curved shape for that one. You can simply just reduce this, but I would prefer we do the same for the other 2 shapes. We convert that to curve, look for the middle, you adjust it like that, do the same here, and you adjust it. You do so lastly for the smallest one among them, convert to curve, and you convert that to curve as well. You look for the middle, you adjust it, do the same for the last one there, and that's fine. So as you can see from the image, we have successfully curved out all the lines there. So the next thing is we select and press C to keep them centralized. Now we group this and we give it a little bit of a tilt, just a little bit, not too much, and curve it just a tiny bit, because it's not actually that straight in the logo as well. So now that we have achieved that, we take it right there to the middle of the shape. Okay, I'll leave that as it is. So now we've literally done the main job in the logo, which is getting these, and then we get the Spotify logo, the Spotify write-up rather, which is the same font as the Google logo, and if you can remember it correctly, it is Product Sense, the Product Sense font. We click on it, we increase this. Okay, as you can see, there's a little less spacing in between them, so we reduce these. We keep reducing it into this. I think this should be enough. So now lastly, we're going to just make it look this green here. We double click our rectangle tool, take out the outline, the eyedropper tool, we click on this green to fill up the space, then we make our circle right there white, we take off the outline, we make these three shapes here the same color of green, and we take off the outline, make the Spotify right there white, and now we group them, put them right there in the middle. We ungroup them for one last tilt to make it really look like the logo. Oh sorry, I haven't grouped these, it's one tilt. We group these and now we perform the tilt. Okay, that should be right now. So as you can see, we've achieved the Spotify logo, and we added a bit of a background as well to make it look like the picture by your side. So you can do this, practice it. You can even give it a bit more curves if you want. It's left for you, it's your option. You can make this even more realistic, add more colorful backgrounds, make it look really nice. It's the world of Coreldraw. There's a lot of possibilities, and I really want us to explore these possibilities. So leave a like on the video. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you will get alerted anytime I post any of my videos. Stay safe, and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.